Russia is still spreading its errors throughout the world. There's no question about it. I want to speak a little bit here about the evil of communism. The objectives of communism, lest we forget. The objectives of communism are these. Number one, by means of revolution, by any means possible, set up the totalitarian state in the place of God. Second is the destruction of the Christian faith. Drive God out of the hearts and minds of the people by any means necessary. The third objective, destroy or confiscate churches. In those lands where communism prevails, to set up a puppet church, a sham religion in its place. The fourth objective, stamp out Christian education, Christian schools, ban the teaching of God in religion, indoctrinate, brainwash young people with communist, Marxist ideology that is materialist, secular, atheist, utilitarian, and amoral. Fifth, introduce fatal errors in regard to the philosophy of man. The idea that the human person is not made in the image and likeness of God the Creator, with free will, an immortal soul, and an eternal destiny, but actually no more, no better than an animal. An instrument, an object that exists primarily for the good of the state which takes the place of God. The sixth objective of communism is the attack on the traditional family. Now, Karl Marx saw the traditional family as a source of rivalry to the power of the state. Right? Marx believed that parental authority would be a hindrance to the ability of the state to exert total power and indoctrinate young people. Under communism, the institution of the family is denigrated and made subservient to the state. Starting in October 1917, communism spreads its horrors throughout the world. It does provoke the so-called wars of liberation. Then comes the arms race, the threat of annihilation, the Cold War. And friends, it is not over by any means. Don't you believe that it is?